tell me which of the results shown on the graph are anomalous points. I want to hear you.
A and B.
A and B, they are our anomalous points. Yes, you are correct. The reason why they are anomalous point is because they did not touch our line of base feet, right? Good. Okay. Now the strength of an electromagnet is directly proportional to the current through it. The strength of an electromagnet is what? Directly proportional to the current through it, right? If I increase my current, my electromagnet strength will increase as well. Okay, we know this because the line of base feet on a graph of force against current is a straight line that passes through the origin. That is the interpretation of this graph you are seeing. The origin is the point that is equal to 0 on both axes. Now you see this 0 here, it represents the vertical axis and also the horizontal axis. Now look at this graph. Which graph show a relationship in which the variables are directly proportional to each other? Which of the graph? Yes, Amina, answer me.
A, I think, sir.
Are you sure it's A or you're thinking?
I'm sure.
All right. Who again? Or are you on the opinion of Amina? If you have a different opinion or different option, let me know. Faisal, what is it? Okay, it's all right. You're on opinion. Now, it's not just only A. Like I said, it's a straight line graph. A straight line graph that start from the origin. Look at them. All of them are from the origin. This one start from the origin. This one start from the origin. This one start from the origin. And all are straight going up.